Alright, let's get with you boys. Glock 47 code. Gen 5, because Gen 6 is not what's up right now with those optic plate issues people are having. Refer to Steve Fisher for that one. Trigger tech, zero creep. It's for the Glock. It's their ace one, not the one that's having issues. It's the revised version, one that's USPSA approved. Let's get this bad boy cut open. Was able to snag one of these on a little pre-order. So let's probably just lay that right there. See what it's about. All right. Let me actually turn my flash on. Hopefully that's a little bit better. Let's get this bad boy unboxed. So that's what you get. Trigger shoe, the bar, this little rear end plate. Has a screw in there, I think. Yeah, apparently this, I've seen a few comments where this bar gets loose. There's a little Allen key in there, or I'm assuming it's the tool in here or something like that. You can tighten this up when it does get loose. It's down up in here. That's the back plate. That's it. Drop my stuff. So a solid piece of metal. Nice little return. Positive. Probably gonna leave that as is. Before I start messing around with stuff, I gotta read the manual. Hell, I gotta read how to install this. I have a pretty good idea. Little patch. The tool. Now, for YouTube's sake, and not getting demonetized and all that jazz, I'm not going to actually show how to put it in, but you can refer to some other videos on how a trigger assembly is uninstalled. Some more springs, Allen keys, pins. I don't know what all these are for. Okay, ace trigger. There's just standard little install kit or instruction book, and we are clear and dry, so no ammunition around me. So you should be able to push the red tab, and it should not go. Which the first ledge down there is catching. Boom. So. All right. Crispy. So can't push the trigger. I'm putting like 10 pounds of force right there. Nice and crisp. Check the reset. Make sure we're on focus. Honestly, guys, I don't know what that's set at. I want to say it's probably set at 4 pounds. Now, the factory, it could be more, could be less. But there's like, that's all the over travel with that little stop right there. So we're gonna go re-zero this, test it out, and see what it do. Stay tuned.